Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you need to turn Grammarly back on in Microsoft Words, in this video, I will give you a quick and easy guide. First, make sure that Grammarly is installed for your Windows desktop. Then, copy Grammarly path and go to Microsoft Word. Click on File and select Option. In the Word Options window, choose Add-ins from the menu on the left. At the bottom next to Manage, select COM Add-ins and click Go. In the COM Add-ins window, check the box next to Grammarly and click OK. If you cannot see it, then click on the Add and paste Grammarly path and click OK. Now that's it. Grammarly is now reactivated in Microsoft Word, ready to help you polish your writing. If you found this tip helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.